Alright, so this is the phone that I'm going to be fixing and making this video for. This is the Pixel 3A XL. So after I eat that, I'm going to fix that. Alright. There's a couple of other phones that were left over the over the weekend. Galaxy S7 and a Note 5.
Hey, what's up everybody? Okay, so today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this Google Pixel 3A XL cell phone. Now, this Pixel is the 4th generation of Pixel phones. There was an original Pixel, the Pixel 2, the Pixel 3, and now this Pixel 3A. So, but this is actually a Pixel XL, 3A XL. I didn't even know they even had a 4th generation yet. So this is actually my first one that I'm gonna fix. I'm gonna film it for you guys, and I think this phone's gonna be easy to fix. I think this phone has a lot of value in it right now. A Google Pixel 3A only costs $399 right now. So the reviews on the websites, CNET and all of them, they say it's the best mid-range phone out on the market right now. You can get this for a couple of $100 less than the Pixel 3A. The only difference is this phone does not have water resistance anymore or wireless charging. Two things I personally don't even use. I don't have a wireless charger at all. I've never really used it before. And the water resistance, guess what? I don't trust it anyways. But it is a cool feature to have, but I wouldn't depend on it. Okay, so let's get right into this phone. Enough of me talking, let's do this.
All right, everyone, let's get started. Okay, so here's the phone, the Pixel 3A XL. So do not confuse this with the 3XL. The 3XL and the 3A XL are two different phones. The phone repairs are not even the same. Just if you have a Pixel 3 XL, just don't even watch this video. Okay, so this is going to be the part that we're going to use. This is a Pixel 3A XL screen. So you're going to need this. This is a Torx screwdriver. This is not a regular iPhone screwdriver or the screwdrivers that you use on the Samsung phones, like, you know, the regular screwdrivers. They call it a Torx screwdriver. You probably need something like this. This is what I use. It comes very handy. All right, so let's just start warming up the front of the phone. All right, this is the first time I'm ever fixing this phone, so I think it's gonna be easy though. Let's say, grab a playing card. So I'm using the card, a poker playing card, instead of this in this area because I don't want to scratch any of the cameras or the sensors with that. But as you guys see, the screen on this phone comes out like this through the front. So you see the connection? I'm gonna take this out. I need my tweezers. Here we go. Or I could probably use my nail. We're gonna take this thing out, and then you're gonna see two screws. So put this here somewhere, just put it right there, and you get your Torx screwdriver. So it looks like it's a smaller bit. Yeah, that one works. So this one is a, if I can read it, T4. It says T4, a T4 tip screwdriver. Do that. It's only two screws. Ooh, thing came out easy. I barely even touched it and it came out. Okay, so from this point, we're just gonna go ahead and just test the screen. So the customer brought this phone in, the screen was just completely dead and the screen didn't even turn on at all. So, well, let's see. There we go. I mean, we're almost done. Right? So let's just, so I've been showing some easy phones lately, like, what is it? The LG Stylo 4. That phone's easy to fix. You guys just saw this thing is easy to fix. The Google Pixel 3a XL. This phone just came out 2 months ago. It's still like a brand new phone. Okay. Here we go. It's still booting up. Screen works perfectly fine. So let's turn the power off. Power off, shutting down. So pretty much all we have to do now is re-glue. You're not really using glue. You're putting adhesive to. I don't want you guys to use glue. Like none of this crap, dude. Don't use glue. Nothing. All right. So now we're gonna unhook this. And once again, it unhooked easy. I like barely even touched it and it unhooked. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is get all these little shards of glass right here that are still left there. So you see how there's broken glass up here and there's some adhesive that's needs to get cleaned out here. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so now that we have all the old adhesive removed and all the little itty bitty shards of glass taken out of here and it's all cleaned up, so now we have to reattach this new screen back into the phone. And since this phone, I could not find any pre-cut adhesive for this phone. So like for example, this is pre-cut adhesive for the for the Pixel 2 XL. So if this was a 2 XL, you would get a pre-cut adhesive like this. You would stick it in the phone like this, and you can attach it a lot simpler and easier with pre-cut adhesive. I always buy pre-cut adhesive. I use it on all the Samsung phones. It's so much easier to do it with this, but I could not find it anywhere, probably because this phone is too new, so they don't even make it yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this, and hopefully the next time or whenever a customer brings in or they need their 3A XL phone fixed, I'll have pre-cut adhesive to use. My game plan is I'm gonna use this 3M double-sided adhesive, and I'll just show you guys. So we're gonna need a razor blade. So I think I'm gonna do it this way. I'm just gonna put tape over everything, and then the little cutouts, I'm just gonna use like a razor blade around the camera so it can cut out and cut around the sensor, and we'll see how that looks. Alright, so that's pretty much how I put the adhesive. And as you guys can tell, I haven't did my cutouts yet, but I marked where the camera is and the proximity sensor is over here. So I'm gonna do those little cutouts right now. See? You guys can take a quick look. This actually turned out pretty good. As you can see, some of the adhesive is still there on the top. See right there where I'm... And then I'll just start taking this stuff off, and that, and that, and then this, and then this thing should go like that. And then pull this out. This out. Take that out. This out. And there. And one left on the top corner. All right. So this adhesive, once again, this is 3M double-sided adhesive. So now we need to plug in this phone. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is okay, you see this little ear speaker mesh right there? You have to remove it from the old one. So you remove that little ear speaker mesh and you put it here, because the new screen doesn't have it. So, okay. So now we're gonna get this and we're gonna screw this down. All right, so we're gonna turn the phone on to see how everything looks. Okay, so that's going on. I don't really know if you even need this thing, but I'm gonna stick it back anyways. Probably don't even need this. There you go. And then this thing should fit right back in. You line it up. Just like that. Oops. You gotta take this out. That was underneath the screen, okay? It was on the bottom side of the screen. So go like that, line it up with your fingers. Go like that. It fits right in there. So I'm squeezing it. There we go. We are good to go with this. So that is the Pixel 3a XL.
Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Okay, so before I go, I'm gonna try something new with you guys. Okay, so if anybody out there wants their Instagram name or their YouTube channel name shouted out in my next video, write your Instagram or your YouTube channel in the comments below, and on the next video, I'm gonna shout somebody out. I've never done this before, so I don't even know what the response is gonna be, so just write them in the comments below, and on my next video, I'm gonna shout somebody out in the video. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.